Hi, I know that I just said I probably wasn't going to be doing hair and makeup videos on my channel, but guess what? Here we are. I was about to do my hair exactly this way anyway, and I thought, why not do a little recreation of my classic hairstyle for short hair YouTube video that is really popular and that a lot of y'all love. I'm still doing this hairstyle however many years later, 10 years later, especially now that I have short hair. I actually just got my hair cut this short in April, so not long ago, and I love it. I love my hair short. I love the side part. Like, wearing my hair like this just makes me feel very me, and it makes me feel very feminine and sort of vintage vibes, which is totally my thing, so I love it. So let's get to it. I blow dried my hair, freshly washed. Gotta have the side part for this hairstyle. Definitely gives you the vintage feel. I am gonna section it just to do like bottom half and a top half because it makes it easier. Take a small section, and this is how I'm placing the curling iron. I am curling it down and then rolling it up, and you want the curling iron parallel to the ground, and then just hold it, and there you go. Same thing. And I do this around my entire head. Every single piece of hair is curled under. I was actually re-watching the video where I did this hairstyle today, and first of all, my voice is like so cute and adorable and like higher pitched, and it's so interesting. I feel like when I go back and watch my old videos from like 10 years ago, I honestly don't recognize my voice at all. I don't know if that was just, you know, being younger or what, but I think my voice has definitely changed a bit. And what's super interesting is that Solomon told me he noticed that when I got diagnosed with my autoimmune diseases in 2016, he felt like he noticed that my voice changed. And I wonder if there's anything to that. I wonder if that had anything to do with my Addison's disease, the thyroid disease, like the medications. I have no idea. It's super interesting. But I would be curious to know what y'all think about that. But in that hair tutorial video, I curled it the exact same way. I curled it under like this. Okay, bottom layer done. Did I miss any pieces? Let's see. Oh, I think that's good. Gonna hit it with some hairspray. You can already see this cute little curl happening. I'm gonna take down the top and find my part again. The only thing I did in that video that I don't do now is I took like the top part, the middle, and I curled, like after curling these, I curled it kind of how you would if you were gonna put the top middle of your hair in rollers, and I did like the thing where you know, does that make sense? I curled them all like down and then pinned them and then took them down like for extra volume or something. But I am not doing that. I don't do that anymore simply because I don't have the patience or time. So we're not doing that. We're just gonna curl it as is, like with the side part as it is. All right, we're going in again, curling it under, keeping it parallel with the floor. And you know, if you really wanted the curls to have staying power, you could curl it back up like this, you know, and then pin it. Don't have the time or the patience. We're not doing that today. In the last 3 or so years, I have actually started really embracing my natural texture and the natural wave in my hair. And my mom actually totally helped me with that because she was really getting into the curly girl method because she has more curl in her hair than I do. She's been really embracing that for several years. So she was teaching me about, you know, like scrunching it and what to do and what products to use to really bring out the curl in your hair. You wouldn't know it now because since having my hair short, haven't really been wearing it like my natural waviness very much because I'm really enjoying going the sort of vintage route style. But it did help me realize that I have a lot of natural wave in my hair and that I really like that natural texture. And I also think that texture looks a little better when my hair is a little longer. But I'm sure y'all will see it at some point now that I'm back. I just keep curling and curling and curling until it's all done. Obviously. Cute. It's coming together. During COVID, I totally grew out all of the blonde I had in my hair. So it's all now my natural color. And I really love it. I missed having my natural color for the few years that I had blonde in it. I still do think that a little blonde highlight looks really good in my hair, and I might do that, but I'm really enjoying just like the, I don't know, just natural. It feels so me, and that feels really good. And growing up, everyone always told me, you have such a beautiful hair color, don't you ever dye it? And I was like, okay, I won't. And I didn't until after college. But I am also interested in maybe doing a temporary glaze where, you know, it washes out in a couple months, and I'm interested in doing a darker color, like a darker brown. I don't know if I will do that, but it interests me for sure. For the one that's closest to the face, I like to do kind of a bigger section and really make sure that I get in there and like emphasize this part. I'll show you. So I actually kind of turn it up a little or diagonally. Because then we get the shape that we love, that feels so vintage. Okay, don't worry, it's not gonna be crazy. Remember, we brush it out and that's when the magic happens. So at this point, everything is curled. I'm just gonna check it. Sometimes I have to go in and curl a few pieces that are a little straighter. Like I actually think that this part near the face could be curlier, so I'm gonna go back in, curl this again. Maybe hold it a little longer this time. Like that. And then sometimes there's a few hairs under here that get a little straight, and we gotta curl them under. We're gonna hairspray. Okay, I'm being very generous with the hairspray. Woo! Okay, I'm gonna let that just like chill for a sec and have a sip of water. All right, here's where we're at before brushing it out. And now it's time for my favorite part, brushing it out, seeing the beautiful waves come together. This is where the magic happens, as I always say. Oh. Oh, look at some volume right here. Oh my God, that's cute. That is a very vintage. Oh my gosh. This is really cute, actually. I actually usually take less time than this to really do it. So now that I've really focused and done it super intentionally, the curls are more defined than usual when I do it. What do we think? I feel like it has such a bounce to it. Like, oh. Yeah, this is cute as hell, I'm not gonna lie. This is definitely my favorite part. Oh, look at that. Look at the shine. Okay, I need to stop. If I want to give it even more volume. Wow. Good to go. I might add a little more hairspray on the top. Just for little frizzies. This will also last me a couple days. I mean, it won't be like perfectly curled, obviously, when I sleep on it, but it'll still definitely have the shape. All right, so that's it, y'all. That's the updated classic hairstyle for short hair tutorial. This is how I do it, actually, in my real life these days, since having this short haircut. It's definitely one of those hairstyles that always makes me feel really good and really beautiful and feminine, and will always make me feel good and confident no matter what. So I love it, and I love that I'm still doing this hairstyle 10 years later. Let me know what you want to see next, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok and all the places. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. We did it! First tutorial back. It's good, do you like it? It's cute, right?